a cat was trapped on the edge of a lake. It was shivering, exhausted, and unable to climb up because the lake's barrier was too high. From a distance, a man noticed it. Without hesitation, he grabbed a net pole and searched for the cat's position. He tried to reach it but failed. The cat panicked and jumped into the water. With the last of its strength, the cat swam, looking for a lower spot. But every side was too high. In the end, it returned to the man as if asking for help. Seeing this chance, the man kept trying. He failed several times, but he didn't give up.
他为什么这样呢？这是救他。
他还有。
王一斌，你去拿个棍子帮他捅一下。
不用。
好，不用。
回到这，他塞下去了。
Until the cat made one final jump. And at that exact moment, the man managed to catch it with the net. One small life was saved. Thank you, kind stranger.
Thank you.
Thank you.